decent amount of water coming off. My feet are filthy. Gonna need a wash. So it's certainly coming down now. So how long do I have before my fridge stops working? Or I get down to 20% or so, 10%. Then what do? It's not like I can plug into power out here anywhere. Where I was at Mount Hart, there was no rain at all, but on the road there's obviously been rain because it's yeah, we're going through water. No dust behind me. The road is wet all the way. So some of the floodways that, or the floodways were dry. Now most of them have got water in them. Just things can change very quickly out here. I'm just driving a bit slower on the way back because it is a bit muddy, a bit slippery. And look at the dark clouds up there. I think the car's going to need a wash after this. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but we've had a few showers coming through. It's kind of just nice actually, enough to settle the dust. Sun's come out, it's quite nice. And I'll keep moving. That's why you want to pull over when there's a truck coming, even though there's been a bit of rain and less dust, it's still a good idea to pull over. I got myself set up at the Leonard River rest stop, or it's a free camping area, and I'm really surprised that I'm the only one camped over here. I can see it's a dust bowl, and there was one other caravan here earlier that decided to move on. You can see by the recent tyre marks from someone that came in before me, there's been a bit of rain here. I've got my mat down, awning out, and come over here. Have a look at the view of the Leonard River here. There'll be plenty of bird life. I reckon there'll be kangaroos and stuff down there later. I'm not going swimming in there. There are crocodiles in this river, so don't do stupid shit. I might go down there and get a bucket of water later maybe, but as long as I can see pretty well into the water. Anyway, this is me for the next, I reckon, 2 or 3 nights, because I've moved every day for the last 5 days. And I'm keen to just sit in one spot for a while. From here I will go down to Tunnel Creek and Windjana Gorge and explore there. Probably not tomorrow. Have a rest day, catch up on social media and stuff, videos, uploading, all that sort of thing, you know, get the drone out. I might go for a bit of a drive around here and explore the other camping areas on the other side of the road there, and across the other side of the river as well, and have a bit of a firewood collection as well. Might have a fire here. I sort of almost feel like this is my last sort of main camp on the Gibb, so I'll just take my time and enjoy the view. Have a look at that. I can't believe I'm here by myself at the moment. It's early though, it's only lunchtime. Anyway, we'll see if the rain stays away or not. Apparently there are fresh and salties in here. So I'm not going too close to the edge because, yeah, you don't want to get eaten by a crocodile. That would sort of end my trip. Apparently a lot of people go fishing here. Check out the amount of mud under here after a little bit of rain yesterday. It's solid. Thought it would break off driving down the road, but set like concrete. Anyway, it's a job for later. Might go stick and break some of it off. This is what people call the prime camping spot at the Leonard River Free Camp. There is camping across the river there. That's fair away from the water. You got the bridge right there on the road. There's some probably room, well, they say room for a couple of caravans here. I'm on the other side of the fence, so you access that further down. This is the first entrance after the bridge on the right if you're heading west. So you've got fireplace here overlooking the river, as I said. Where I am, I'm happy with there actually. It's a little bit further from the road. Everyone seems to stop here and take a photo and let their tyres down or pump them up, whichever way they're going. But yeah, it is a nice spot. You can't deny that. Anyway, you can just walk down here. The guys were here fishing the other night. He said he caught a big, or a couple of big barramundi. Alright, not a bad spot. Leonard River Crossing Free Camp. It's on Wikicamps. So I've taken the cover off the back of the fridge there, got the Ryobi out and given this a good sweep and vacuum in there. So it was kind of red before, like about, that colour. So I've got these holes in here, which I'm not sure why they're not blocked up. There's a dust just comes in the vent, goes in there, then under the fridge and out onto my floor. So I'm not sure why these holes aren't blocked. I'll see if there's a reason, and maybe put some fly wire on there. I don't want to restrict the flow of air, that's the only thing. Yeah, but it's a lot cleaner than it was, that's for sure, so hopefully no more dust coming up from underneath the fridge for the meantime. And just like that, the rain came in. So I've lowered the awning a bit, tied it down. I use these easy anchors. We're not sponsored in any way or anything. It just comes with an attachment and pretty quick to put in. Just enough to wet the ground a bit, and we'll see how much more we get. Good morning from the Leonard River free camping spot here on the Gibb. This is definitely what you do not want to see when you're on the Gibb River Road, is lots of rain. Said there was a 25% chance of rain at 5 o'clock this morning. Started raining about 4. I closed my hatch, brought my solar blanket in, and it has been raining steadily since. I guess the car's looking a little bit cleaner. So it's certainly set in. The thunder's been rolling and the lightning and for hours. So I don't think I'll be going anywhere today. My plans were to go down to Tunnel Creek and Winjana Gorge today. I think I'll be staying put here because it is dirt road all the way there. The good thing is from here to Derby, when I'm towing the caravan, it'll be sealed road, so I'm glad I got to this point. That was my aim before it got too wet. Wouldn't want to be towing the caravan in this. Anyway, I'll reassess my situation, and I think I will be staying put for the day. Hopefully the road will dry up fairly quickly down to Winjana Gorge and Tunnel Creek. That not worth muddying them up for no particular reason. So yeah, put the kettle on, have a cup of tea, and I'll be uploading videos from the drone I think today, catching up on a few things. So yeah, oh, you can see the water running down over there. The other downside with this weather is that I am relying on solar to power the caravan. It's not charging from the car, and down to 50%. Probably goes down 20% overnight with the just running the fridge and a couple of lights. I'm not using much else in the as far as power. I guess the thought is I could, turn the inverter on in the car and put the power lead from the car into the caravan, run the car for a while, because the batteries are quite low on that as well, because I've had Starlink up there. Anyway, we'll see how long this rain lasts. As I say, it's a 25% chance at 5 o'clock this morning, and it's been raining for hours. So anyway, time for a cuppa and some breakfast. So just checking my battery level, I'm down to 50% at the moment, and surprisingly I'm getting a fraction of bit of solar coming in, so I guess that's a good thing. What I'm going to do is turn my fridge setting down to number 2. That will save a bit of power and it'll keep the fridge cold enough. So, and while it's raining, decided to collect some water and fill up my extra container here. Make hay while the sun shines, collect water when it's raining. But that'll keep me going for a few days, that drinking water. Just thought I'd let the front of the caravan out a little bit, getting some of the water off the roof, maybe off the solar panels. Surprised how much water was coming out of the chassis there. That might help with the solar panels a bit. So I can't quite get the flame low enough to cook rice with the absorption method in the pot. So I've got a fry pan underneath to insulate it a bit and to catch the inevitable bits that boil over in the beginning. Anyway, that's my solution. And outside here, watch out for the step because I've got no step. I've got chicken tikka masala cooking. It's about ready, just about done. Around the slide over here, lots of bugs and beetles and so on. They're just flying around everywhere. Near the yellow light over here, I think there's one bug there. So the yellow, indicator reflector light, the tape, kind of works a bit to keep the bugs away. I see them over there. One did venture into my dinner, fished that out. It didn't eat much, so it was all good. Extra protein. Good morning. Been a bit frustrated this morning. I've went down to the intersection to check if the road was open, down to Tunnel Creek, Winjana Gorge. The signs said closed still. And okay, the website says open for four-wheel drive vehicles only up to 4 tonne. So running main roads, it's not them, it's the Shire. I have to wait till 9 o'clock to ring them. So yeah, rang them. As far as we know, it's closed. Okay, I can give you another number. And going to a number in Perth. They gave me a Kununurra number, and they gave me a number for the ranger who was in Broome. Anyway, about 10 phone calls later, after speaking to the guy in Broome, the ranger there said, yes, the road is open, they just haven't changed the signs yet, so you can go through. So now I'm thinking, okay, what's the time? 10 o'clock. I'm thinking, okay, do I go today and maybe rush it a bit, or do I wait till tomorrow? It's not going to rain, so it's pretty much zero chance of rain, so yeah, the road will be open tomorrow and the sign should be down, so should all be sweet. So anyway, I've got food for one more wrap. I've got no bread left. I've got meals for dinner. I've got soups and stuff, so and pasta, so I'm not going to run out of food just to take something with me. Anyway, I'll better decide fairly soon whether I'm going today. As I say, it's like 10 o'clock already by the time I get organised and get out of here. Yeah, it's going to be rushing a bit. I'll let you know. Cheers. Fun, fun, fun.